if I give you this function machine, we do not know what's going on in there, but we have an output. Well, you would think, okay, I had k as the input, but now I have 3k at 5. So at some point, we would have added 5 and then we would have multiplied k by 3. So we would have made 3 lots of k, so 3 times bigger. Now initially, if you think about it, we could do it like this. Okay, so you could say, okay, I think this is the answer, right? Here is what happens when you really take your time to work out what your thinking is. So whatever you thought the answer was, you can write it out and then work it out, because you already know how to use, from your previous lesson, how to use two-step function machines when your input is a term, a letter, right? An algebraic term, which is k, or a letter, which is k. So if you do that, here is what you get, okay? So k at 5 looks like this in a block model. Times 3 means we need to make 3 lots of that, so it becomes this. Now, if we put these together, all the k's together, we actually have 3k at 15, but that is not what the output is, so we're wrong somewhere. Well, let's change the order of the operation and see whether it will affect our results. Because remember, we've learned, even you saw at while you were doing the retrieval practice, that the order of operations can affect the result. Maybe this will help us here. If we do that, then it means we're going to be multiplying by 3. So let's try that. So we multiply by 3 first before we add 5. It looks like that works, doesn't it? Because this gives us this result, which is the output. So actually, our operation should change its order.